So, I'm not really sure how today's tarot on the beach with dog is going to go. While I'm shuffling, you can be amused by Rocky. He's now covering me in Sam and digging and digging. Today's card reading is it's about what energies can be reflected. So today's energies. So today's reading is about what energies the cards are just reflecting back to you at this time for the day. And let's see what the cards will show you. In the meantime, Rocky's making center stage, and I'll let you know if I manage to pull any cards